All right, here we go, guys. Group break 166 is full. Anaheim Ducks, Chris Wilkie, 72. And Trevor M with the Jets on the bottom. It's also on the right-hand side of the screen there. But just if you can't see it, there it is. Got 4 boxes, guys. Here we go. We'll start with the top box. 322. Oh, all right, Dan. Sorry. I'll tell you something else later on about it. Don't worry. When I got time to explain. You're a wuss. It's okay. How are you cold when it's 28 degrees there? Good luck to all. Thank you guys for joining and filling it up. For the Edmonton Oilers, not a bad start. Kailer Yamamoto, young gun. Oilers is Kid. Kid TNT seems to draw the Oilers quite a bit. Mind you, he does buy lots of spots. Brett Burns, Centennial Standouts, San Jose Sharks. Kid sucks. He might be watching on his phone, but not logged in. I'm not sure. James Van Riemsdyk, Toronto Maple Leafs. He's having computer issues, so he said he might try and stop by later on. Yeah, we'll do, Dan. Max Domi, UD Portraits for the Arizona Coyotes. Ian McCushen for the Florida Panthers, young gun. McCushen. It's all those videos you send them, Betsy. Franz Nielsen, UD Canvas for the Detroit Red Wings. McCutcheon. Carter Rowney for the Pittsburgh Penguins, young gun. Mark Messier, Centennial Standouts for the Edmonton Oilers. For the Minnesota Wild, Wilkie, Zach Parise in Betsy's face, clear cut. Clear cut base for the Minnesota Wild. Wilkie killing it. Josh Bailey, New York Islanders. Not really killing it, just making a joke. What's up, Grant? John Gillies for the Calgary Flames, young gun. There you go, Sturls, you got a young gun. Full house tonight here. Sebastian Aho, UD Canvas for the Carolina Hurricanes. full, Grant. Both are full. I wish I picked my order up today. I could have probably filled a couple more breaks. Shining Stars, Jeff Carter. But it wasn't quite ready today. And I couldn't, I had stuff to do. I couldn't get there today. But I will have more stuff for tomorrow night, guys. Trust me, it will be lots of variety. Roberto Luongo, Florida Panthers, Centennial Standouts. I'll have an inner. I'll have trilogy. I'll have some single boxes and double boxes or whatever it is. John Hayden, Young Guns. John Hayden, Young Gun for the Chicago Blackhawks. We can do another 4 boxes of Series 1. I got 5 left over there, so we can do a 3-boxer. It's $4 a box, basically. Just not a single boxer, because that's just not worth shipping. I have 5 left. Daniel Sedin, UD Portraits. Vancouver Canucks. Centennial Standouts, John Beliveau. It'd be the same price. Same price, $16 a spot, 2 for $30. So I can line it in the chat after I finish this one. Braden Point. If you guys want to do another one right after that, after 165, no problem. Shining Stars, red, Alex Ovechkin. Yeah. The small blasters, Jamie, you get 3 Young Guns. And the bigger blasters, you get 3. And the bigger blasters and tins. Centennial Standouts, Mike Bossy for the New York Islanders. You get Alex Kerfoot for the Colorado Avalanche, Young Gun. Welcome anybody that's joined the room. Sorry the list is so long. I can't see if anybody's down at the bottom there. Sorry. UD Portraits, Sean Couturier for the Philadelphia Flyers. Uneventful first box. Tyler Seguin, Shining Stars, Dallas Stars. If you refreshed Ron Dean, you won't be. You're a mod. Just on your screen, you would not be because you haven't moved up. But if you do refresh, Jakob Slavin, UD Canvas for the Carolina Hurricanes. Yeah, sometimes the bigger blasters you get 3, sometimes you only get 2. So, like those big Walmart blasters that I had before, some of them you only get 2. We're all friends here, right? All right. Let's go box 2. Hopefully it's better. It is 472. How's the stream and camera tonight, guys? Pretty good? I'm getting a new camera. It's on the way. I know I keep saying that, but it's in transit right now from the United States. So should have a better quality stream. But breakers will be breakers sometimes, so we'll see how it works out. Betsy said she wants to be unmodded. Just 1 second, guys. Sorry, gotta check something. Victor Mete, Canada World Juniors. Golden boy, Victor Mete. Seems like top left on the bottom thing, I think, is a young gun all the time. Carey Price, Centennial Standouts for the Montreal Canadiens. It seems like every first pack I open has a young gun in it. Don't know if that's true or not, but it seems like it. Dougie Hamilton for the Calgary Flames, UD game jersey. Philippe Forsberg, UD Portraits. Nashville Predators. For the Boston Bruins, Jacob Forsbecka Carlson, young gun. We got Boston, Dan, nice. Let's pull you some Charlie. Nice. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Cake 2001, Alex DeBringat, UD Canvas for the Chicago Blackhawks. Nice hit, Blackhawks. I know, Dan. I know it's not the one you want. Nice hit for Cake. Jeff Carter, LA Kings, Shining Stars. Red. Reminder, guys, if you happen to go hitless in this break, you are entered into the hitless giveaway draw. It will be around the 15th of this month. Everyone that's gone hitless the past month and a bit will be entered to win Wayne Gretzky Centennial Standout. Stay tuned for a big announcement coming as well. That's for the New York Rangers. What's up, Grizzla? Yeah, stay tuned for a big announcement coming as well. Logan Brown, young gun for the Ottawa Senators. Man, I'm tongue-tied today. How's it going, Charles? There he is. Charlie McAvoy, rookie UD Portraits for the Boston Bruins. Now you need the young gun, Dan. Yeah, it's a pretty big announcement. Shining Stars, Jeff Skinner. It's going to be... No, not that one. It's a giveaway. Petrangelo for Alex Petrangelo, San Jose Sharks. Pretty big giveaway. Pretty big giveaway coming up. It'll be for all the spots you buy. Jake DeBrusk for the Boston Bruins. This guy's having a pretty good year too. Firing you and Betsy. Nah, it's a pretty big giveaway. I will probably announce it early next week, guys. We'll run it, the promotion for about a month or so. Yari Curry, Centennial Standouts, Edmonton Oilers. Middle of next week when I get some time. Fortunately, I'm so busy right now with everything. Just trying to get things. Mikael Granlund for the Minnesota Wild, Shining Stars. Mitch Marner for the Toronto Maple Leafs. UD Portraits. Yeah, I don't know. I think most people would be interested in winning it, that's for sure. Johnny Brodzinski, LA Kings Young Gun. It's a pretty nice giveaway, I would say. Anyone that buys a spot will have a chance at it. UD Canvas, Sergei Bobrovsky. Oops, forgot to sleeve this Young Gun. Tuukka Rask, Boston Bruins, Shining Stars. Case hit right there, guys. Case hit. Case hit has to go in a sleeve right away. Patrick Laine, Centennial Standouts for the Winnipeg Jets. Gabriel Carlson for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Young Gun. Kid will win it. Oh. Tyler Seguin, UD Portraits, Dallas Stars. Oh, sorry, and an exclusive. Rick Nash, 070 of 100 for the New York Rangers. Brad, there you go. You got a card. Ottawa hit a Young Gun too. Wayne Gretzky for the Edmonton Oilers, Centennial Standouts. And final pack, box 2 is an Alexander Burrows for the Ottawa Senators, UD Canvas. That was a little better box with the Bring Cat canvas. You just have to wait and see. It's going to be a good one, though. Ben. Okay, box 3. 6549. Max Domi Portraits, that's it? Oh, let's hopefully hit you something better than that. This is, oh, man down. For my next camera, I got to get something that holds it in the desk. What do you got, Grandine? Devils and... Wow, you got the Devils and Canucks? Jeez. What a draw for you. Hopefully I hit one of the teams anyway. Didn't even notice that you hit both of them. John Gibson, Shining Stars, Anaheim Ducks. Mike Gardner, Centennial Standouts for the Washington Capitals. Dennis Gurnoff for the Dallas Stars. Devin Dubnyk for the Minnesota Wild, UD Portraits. Doug Gilmour, Centennial Standouts, Toronto Maple Leafs. UD Canvas, Jimmy Vesey for the New York Rangers. What? I said Caps? Or are you just behind? Austin Matthews, Shining Stars Red for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Guy Lafleur, Centennial Standouts, Montreal Canadiens. Nathan Walker for the Washington Capitals, Young Gun. Connor McDavid, UD Portraits, Edmonton Oilers. Shining Stars, Montreal Canadiens. '22nd favorite. Brad Marchand for the Boston Bruins, UD Canvas. This has been an uneventful box so far. Alex Formenton, World Junior Star for the Ottawa Senators, Young Gun. Frank Mahovlich for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Artem Anisimov, UD game jersey for the Chicago Blackhawks. UD Portraits, Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. Robert Haig for the Philadelphia Flyers, Young Gun. Means we'll probably get the other Flyer guy because they come together. Pierre-Luc Dubois, UD Young Gun Canvas for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Gambit, there you go. Nice UD Canvas hit. Put Mr. Dubois with Debrincat over there. Samuel Morin, as I was talking about, the other Philly guy. Young Gun. Sorry, Sturls. I'm on YouTube and Facebook as well. You can watch. Should still be streaming over there. Jerome Iginla, Centennial Standouts for the Calgary Flames. Shining Stars, Tyler Seguin, Dallas Stars. Should be one more Young Gun remaining. Hopefully it's a high gloss or exclusive as well. Matt Tkachuk, UD Portraits for the Calgary Flames. There he is. Brock Besser. Wow, this is a really good pack. Brock Besser for the Vancouver Canucks. Young Gun, and I'm just going to put that right there. because there is an acetate or clear cut. I think this is an update. Yeah, this is an update, probably acetate, for the Colorado Avalanche, AJ Greer. Colorado is Julie. Wow, nice hit, Julie. What a pack. Acetate and a Besser in the same pack. Wouldn't you love to walk into the LCS and open that pack? Jesus. Same pack. UD Canvas, Jonathan Quick, LA Kings. That's why I said this is going to be a good pack, because I saw the exclusive right behind it. Or the acetate right behind it. That's from 15-16 too. This one's from 15-16. Oh, it says 17-18 though on it, but it's the 17-8 or 15-16 or not 16-17 look, but it does say 17-18, so they must have just inserted some acetates in there for guys that they missed in the first two. Colorado is Julie. Nice hit there too. Besser and that. AJ Greer playing. Is he playing in the NHL, Grant? All right, final box, guys. We don't need to do the final box now, right? Now you're getting greedy. 576. If you don't have a hit, hope you get one here. John Hayden. Ooh. John Hayden Young Gun, and right behind it, case hit, Mike Hoffman for the Ottawa Senators, signature sensation. There you go. Brad, you got yourself an auto. It is a case hit too. You know, one auto per case. Sure, Hoffman's not a short printed auto, but it's still an auto. Centennial standouts, Jamie Benn. Dallas Stars. Brad Marchand, Shining Stars for the Boston Bruins. Hampus Lindholm, Anaheim Ducks, UD Portraits. Hampus is Ducks, right? Yeah, Ducks. Some reason I had a... Kaylor Yamamoto for the Young Guns for the Edmonton Oilers. Doubling up on the Yamamoto. Looks like this will be a duplicate box. The one we had earlier, unfortunately. Jonathan Taves, UD Canvas, Chicago Blackhawks. Carey Price, Shining Stars, Montreal Canadiens. Red, Shining Stars Red. Ray Bork, Centennial Standouts, Colorado Avalanche. Ian McCussion, Florida Panthers, Young Gun. Yep, we are doubling up. Hopefully there's an exclusive or something in it. Eric Stahl, yo, for the Minnesota Wild. Austin Matthews, Shining Stars, Toronto Maple Leafs. Brett Burns, UD Canvas for the San Jose Sharks. There you go. Another Brett Burns card for you, Devin. Alex DeBrincat, Young Gun. We didn't get this the first time around. I think we got his canvas. So the Chicago Blackhawks have the canvas and the Young Gun now. Chicago doing well. Genny Malkin, Centennial Standouts, Pittsburgh Penguin. Got a jersey card. Adam Larson, Edmonton Oilers, UD game jersey. Mikko Rantanen, UD Portraits, Colorado Avalanche. Carter Rowney, Pittsburgh Penguins, Young Gun. Come on. Cam Talbot for the Edmonton Oilers, UD Canvas. Mikael Granlund, Shining Stars, Minnesota Wild. John Tavares, Centennial Standouts, New York Islanders. John Gillies, Calgary Flames, Young Gun. What's up, Flova? Vladimir Tarasenko, St. Louis Blues, UD Portraits. 2 packs left. Marian Hossa, Centennial Standouts, Chicago Blackhawks, and final pack of 165. Is a UD Canvas for the Calgary Flames, Mikael Backlund. I don't know why I sleeved that right away, but I did. You can go in and sleeve at some point anyway. Thank you very much for joining, guys. That is the completion of Group Break 166. Thank you all for joining and filling it up. We'll be back with Group Break 165 right after this. Oh, got off center there. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much. That concludes Group Break 166.